I'm Daiwik. Today we're doing a fun experiment. The experiment name is snowstorm. Christmas is coming, right? That's why we're making a snowstorm inside of a glass. Today, for this experiment, we need 3 by 4 cup of oil and 1 by 3 cup of milk. And we need alka sizzler tablets. I have 2 and one of them is sliced to 2 pieces. And first we need to pour the oil into the glass. That's it. Then let's pour the milk into the glass. Then put the alka sizzler tablets. I'll put this one first. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Ta-da! Snow. It's like snow, right? And it's like snowstorm. Whoa! Let's do another one. 3, 2, 1, then done. Whoa! Look! Whoa! That's a lot. Whoa! Oh! Whoa, whoa! That's a big cube! Wow. It's doing it. It's almost done! Oh. The experiment's done. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time.